acts and policies. Question 1. Consider the following statements. 1. There are more conservation reserves than community reserves in India. 2. There are more community reserves than wildlife sanctuaries in India. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 2. With reference to the recently notified the Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules, 2021, consider the following statements. 1. It prohibits all single-use plastic items which have low utility and high littering potential by 2022. 2. Some plastic packaging waste is not covered under the phase-out of single-use plastic items. 3. In the 4th United Nations Environment Assembly held in 2019, India had piloted a resolution on addressing single-use plastic products pollution. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statement regarding Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules, 2021, 1. Extended producer responsibility being brought out has been given legal force through this amendment rules. 2. This will not allow reuse of plastic carry bags due to any condition. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 1. Wildlife Protection Act extend to the whole of India except Andaman and Nicobar and Pondicherry Union Territories. 2. Both the central and state governments are empowered to declare any wild animal as vermin. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding the Biological Diversity Amendment Act 2021. 1. The provisions which made offences under the Biological Diversity Act cognizable and non-bailable were deleted. 2. The Act directs the central government to set up the National Biodiversity Authority. Which of the statements given above is incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding the Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016. 1. Biomedical waste is defined as human and animal anatomical waste, treatment apparatus like needles, syringes and other materials used in healthcare facilities in the process of treatment and research. 2. Rules do not cover the vaccination camps, blood donation camps, and surgical camps. 3. The state government provides the land for setting up a common biomedical waste treatment and disposal facility. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding Environment Impact Assessment. 1. Environment Impact Assessment in India is statutorily backed by the Forest Conservation Act 1980. 2. The public hearing is a mandatory step in the process of environmental clearance for certain developmental projects and district collector is the chairperson of the committee. 3. The Environment Impact Assessment Notification of 2006 made it mandatory for industries including very small electroplating or foundry units to get environment clearance. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding the Forest Conservation Act, 1980. 1. The state government can issue orders directing dereservation of the reserved forests. 2. The state government can divert a small patch of forest for essential non-forest purposes. 3. It gives the central government the power to constitute a committee for the grant of approval for the purpose which is prohibited in this Act. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. Which of the following statements are correct about the Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974? 1. It defines both water pollution and water quality standards. 2. It provides for maintenance and restoration of quality of all types of surfaces and groundwater. 3. It authorized the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation to implement the work for the objectives of the Act. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2022 has been announced by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOE FCC. Consider the following statements regarding this. 1. Trading of surplus extended producer responsibility certificates has been allowed first time through the new Plastic Waste Management Rules 2022. 2. Reuse of flexible plastic packaging material has been mandated in the guidelines. 3. Decentralized online portal has been established by every state pollution control board under the rules. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only.